Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Change of scene today. We are making a mud kitchen and let's get on with it. First I plane out some timber to remove some cupping and even out the thickness. Next I use my plunge saw to cut down some chipboard for the worktop and the back of the kitchen. Next I'm cutting down some 10mm ply to make the oven door pieces. And cutting shelves from some 6mm ply. Now I'm cutting down the plain pieces of wood to make the apron around the bottom of the work surface, as well as the kick plates and shelf supports. Next the miter saw comes out to cut the pieces to length. Back on the table saw to cut out the legs by ripping down some 90x90 to be 40x40. Now everything gets a quick sand. quick cleanup and time for assembly. My camera battery died at this time, so I lost a bit of assembly footage. But first I connect the two corner front legs with the apron and the kick plate, and then the rear corner legs are joined to the front ones using the apron, and then I connect the two rear legs together with another kick plate. Next I add the two middle legs and then supports for the under sink shelf as well as the supports for the oven bottom, followed by screwing the oven sides in, and next the worktop goes on. Now I'm creating the oven front and door and attaching some hinges to hang the door. Next, the back of the kitchen gets screwed into place. Now I found some old shelving brackets. I'm cutting them down to size to fit the top shelf and attaching them to the back of the kitchen. Here I'm making a handle for the oven out of a block of timber and some down. I cut a hole in the worktop for the sink to go in. I'm using a bowl got from Amazon. I'll link it in the description below if you're interested. I've cut some discs using a 120mm hole saw to make the hob plates. I'm giving them a quick sand here and paint. I also remove the oven door and give it a paint as well. Next, the sink shelf gets screwed back into place and the back gets marked up before cutting and screwing in. Now, after the main kitchen got a coat of paint and everything is dried, it's time for assembly. I've also added some knobs which I've made with a hole saw and painted black as well. These knobs are screwed to the kitchen with some washers to allow them to spin. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed that. If you're interested in making your own mud kitchen like this, I've got some plans, just comment down below, I'll make them available. There's a link in the description for this bowl if you're interested. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and take care of yourselves.